You did it! Liftoff achieved. After starting with the basics of Twiml, you're now fully equipped to take your messaging app to new heights, scaling it on the telecom highway while staying fully compliant. Think of this moment as the successful launch of your mission. In such a short time, you've already navigated through the most critical stages. Now that you've reached a cruising altitude, you might be wondering, what should your next destination be? How about adding link shortening to your app for a more streamlined user experience? Or gear up to fight fraud by enabling SMS pumping protections? Checking out tools like message scheduling could be your next exciting project, ensuring that your communications are perfectly timed every time. Before we jump into something new, let's take a moment to celebrate the successful liftoff and all the amazing things you've built. You've done some stellar work today, and we can't wait to see where your next flight takes you.